If you're looking for information about Penang Central, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through everything, from getting around the terminal to transport options and available facilities. Penang Central is located in Butterworth, on the mainland side of Penang, which is part of Peninsular Malaysia. From here you can catch train, ferry and bus all in one place. Level 1 is where you'll find the bus platforms both for long-distance express buses and short-distance local buses operated by Rapid Penang. Level 2 is the main concourse level, where you'll find ticket counters for long-distance express buses. The ticket counter for taxis are also located here. This level has luggage lockers, ATMs and money changer for your convenience. From here, there are also walkways that connect directly to the KTM train station and the ferry terminal. Level 3 is the main pickup and drop-off area for passengers. You can book and board e-hailing services like Grab from here. There is a 24-hour guarded car park available on levels 6 to 9 if you're coming by car. There's also a food court here, perfect for a quick meal before your journey. The ferry service connects Penang Central in Butterworth to Georgetown on Penang Island, with a short journey of just 20 minutes. Tickets cost RM2 one-way per adult, and payment is made via cashless methods only. Ferries depart every 30 minutes, with increased frequency to every 20 minutes during weekday rush hours. The first ferry leaves at 6:30 a.m. from Butterworth and at 7 a.m. from Georgetown. The last ferries depart from Butterworth at 11 p.m. and from Georgetown at 11:30 p.m. The ride is comfortable and relaxing, with air conditioning and large windows to enjoy the sea view. Currently, the new ferries are limited to pedestrians and motorcyclists only. Penang Central is directly connected to the KTM Butterworth train station via a covered pedestrian walkway, making transfers easy and convenient. There are two types of KTM train services available here: ETS, which is a fast long-distance service, and the Komuter Utara, which offers more affordable short-distance travel. Tickets can be purchased online or directly at the train station. The ETS connects to major destinations such as Padang Besar, Ipoh, Kuala Lumpur and Gemas. Meanwhile, the Komuter Utara provides local commuter services to Padang Besar and Ipoh only. Pro tip: ETS trains often sell out quickly, so it's best to book your ticket in advance to secure your seat. From Padang Besar, you can also catch a train into Thailand via Hatiai using the SRT, State Railway of Thailand, service. Penang Central offers two main types of bus services: express buses and local buses operated by Rapid Penang. Express buses travel to major cities across Malaysia, such as Kuala Lumpur, Johor Bahru and more. There is a wide selection of bus operators and departure times available daily. Tickets can be purchased at the counters inside Penang Central or booked online. The Rapid Penang local bus service covers areas around Butterworth, Bukit Mertajam and Seberang Perai. You can pay in cash directly to the bus driver when boarding. I hope this video helps you get around Penang Central more easily. Thanks for watching.